Hey guys, it's Mary with B&T Realty. And if you've been watching from the sidelines, now is the time to lean in. It's officially the best time to buy this year. According to Realtor.com, this October will have the most buyer-friendly conditions of any month we've seen in 2025. By mid-October, buyers across much of the country may finally find the combination of inventory, pricing, and negotiating power that we've been waiting for, and it's a rare opportunity in a market that has been so tight for the past decade. So if you're ready and able to buy right now, shooting for this month means this. You could see more homes to choose from, less competition from other buyers, more time to browse, better home pricing, and sellers who are more willing to negotiate. But just remember, every market is different. For most of the top 50 largest metros, that sweet spot falls in October. But the peak time to buy may be slightly early or later depending on where you live. So for as Realtor.com explains this, while October 12th through the 18th is the national best week, timing-wise, can shift on your local market. So let's dive in deeper. In Charlotte area, so if we're looking at Charlotte and our surrounding areas, our best time to buy is October 12th through the 18th. Realtor.com says there are opportunities for us to move now. Lawrence Young, chief economist at the National Associations of Realtor, explains it this way. Home buyers are in the best position in more than 5 years to find the right home and negotiate a better price. Current inventory is at the highest since May of 2020. And y'all, that was during the COVID lockdown. Daryl Fairweather, chief economist at Redfin, he puts it very much like this. Nationally, now is a good time to buy if you can afford it. With falling mortgage rates and slightly more inventory, buyers have this upper hand in negotiation. And actually, NerdWallet likes to say it this way. This fall just might be the best window for home buyers in the past 5 years. To make sure that you're ready to jump in whenever the market's best and when it's the best time to arrive, reach out now. I'll be able to give you more information on the market and the peak time, what is good for you, and the steps we'll need to make sure that you are ready. But here's the bottom line. If you're serious about buying, get prepared because this October has a window that you want to be in. Thanks, guys. Looking forward to hearing from you.